The backup mode provides a reasonable level of comfort in the cab if there is a fault with the air conditioner or in case of a three-phase power failure. During backup operation, as the rotary switch is turned to backup mode, the driver's cab air conditioner is switched off, and a stream of conditioned air from the saloon air conditioning system is drawn into the cab. For this purpose, a so-called backup damper is installed between the supply air duct of the saloon and a dedicated diffuser situated in the back wall of the cab. The backup damper assembly comprises of a motor-operated damper and a booster fan. During backup operation, the backup damper is opened and the booster fan draws conditioned air from the saloon duct into the driver's cab. The entire flow of this air leaves the driver's cab through the exhaust air grill and is expelled into the ambient air through the exhaust air opening located under the cab air conditioner.